What's up, guys? This is just a little overview of what we have coming in the next episodes. As you see, we have a bunch of stuff. So we have some tarmac, Inno 64, Pop Race, Kaido House, some mini GT as well, and trend hobbies, and many things more. But for this episode, I think I'm gonna focus on unboxing that, guys. So let's move things out of the way and let's get cracking. So yeah, this is a Pop Race in collab with Enigma or Enigma uh, exclusive. Uh, I like the packaging. Uh, it's nice, but at the same time I hate it because I have to throw it away. I'm not gonna save the packaging. I'm just interested in the car and the box. So let's get opening it. Fortunately, that's what we get here in the US. We get this one, some blister packaging. Most of the Pop Race we don't. I'm able to, find them on just the boxes, like this, just a single box. But this one comes with let's check the box. Your usual Pop Race box with a number and a picture of it. Pop Race here, all the legal stuff. Yep, one picture right there. And here's the RWB. Listen, it's just so relaxing. Good rolling wheels, fodder, or thicker tires on the back. Just way to go. Lens slides. We have a roll kit on the inside. Widebody. You can see you won't see any Porsche logos or anything like that. So I don't think they have a license for this product. But nonetheless, it's a great casting and a great model. Rolls absolutely phenomenal, and it's a great casting. If you ask me, it's worth having in your collection and adding it into your collection if you like diecast. It's more premium, yes, but it's a beautiful casting. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Like I said, we have a bunch of stuff from different brands, premium stuff from now on for a while. And I hope you enjoy it and support the channel. Give it a thumbs up, like, share, and support it so we can keep bringing you good diecast. Till the next one. Bye.